After some 62 trips to the Giza plateau and nearly 2 decades of collaborations with various archaeological missions, Bill has become an expert on Giza. His skills and credibility led Egypt's Dr. Zahi Hawass to offer him a position in his organization. Brown graciously declined. Before 1995, he knew nothing about Egypt. Then one day, he awoke remembering a whole other lifetime he lived there, which he recalls was a part of Atlantis. Brown was suddenly able to map out from memory the Giza Plateau, including its cosmological references, despite never having been there. We now know there were many, from Plato to Edgar Cayce, who acknowledged the Egyptian-Atlantean connection.
Edgar Cayce had predicted the specific location of the underground halls of record, and in particular a specific location called the Pyramid of Records. When I did my triangulation using my engineering and my understanding of the celestial cosmic blueprint, I was able to pinpoint the exact location.
The halls of records do exist. I believe they exist today, and that in the near future we're going to be able to prove that fact.